Here's a quick look at the eMini S&P for Thursday, November the 19th. Well, we had mentioned yesterday that we were looking at the 1109 to 1104 area as support and resistance. And you can see here, I'll just draw a line at 4. This is what occurred overnight. And these are market profiles, by the way. This is the profile from today, regular trading hours, and this is what occurred overnight. So you can see that the market went back and forth between the 9 and the 4, which was our support and resistance areas going into yesterday. You can see here that it spent a lot of time in the early morning below that area, so we were on the heads up for a short trade once the market opened at 9:30 Eastern time. And with that kind of breakout, we were able to get on board the short side. Here's the market profiles that does not include the overnight session. So here's our software here. We had a really nice trade to start the day. The market came down here and we were able to get short on this trade right in here for a very nice fill. Actually, we're able to hold the final partial right to here and we're exited right here for a gain of 4 1/4 points on that final partial. We had another short trade when the market jumped up in here, and that also reached our first two objectives. We got a little more aggressive, and unfortunately we got stopped out on another short trade here, and that was really it. You can see our filter for most of the rest of the day was neutral. So we had 3 trades today, one very nice profit, one a good profit, and one we were stopped out on, but still nicely in the plus column profit-wise here today. We do really think, though, that we've got to monitor in this 95 area tomorrow, and probably down to 87. So we're thinking that, quite possibly, which is today's low, more or less, in the 87 area, and up where it closed here. And this is really the zone of containment for now. Although would not be surprised if this market does have a move higher overnight. Maybe not so much overnight, but tomorrow. If it comes down below 87, those bets are off. But if it holds above 87 and then above 95, it could have a nice run higher. And we're sort of thinking that's actually the more likely event. This sell-off that we had today, we don't think is convincing, and the market is quite likely, at least the way we're looking at it, to have a bit of a bounce here. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. You can contact us right here. Of course, this is just a shortened video of the one that we put on our website for the members, which usually runs 15 to 20 minutes with a lot more charts, a lot more detail, but just to give you an idea of the condition of the market and how we're looking at it for right now. So thanks for taking the time to view this, and we'll see you again tomorrow.